In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a c.ai bot. So I'm going to show you how to do this on the web version of c.ai. However, it's the exact same process on your mobile app as well. So you want to go to Google, type in c.ai, go to their website over here, and then click c.web. So to be able to create a character or a bot inside here, what you want to do is first log in or sign up. So just click login, sign up, and then you can sign in with either Google or with Apple. So this doesn't really matter. Just pick one that you prefer. I'm going to sign in with Google because I think it's just easier and much quicker. And then in a few seconds, there we go. As you can see, I'm now inside the app itself. So what you want to do from here is go to create over here on the left. And then once you click that, you'll be able to create your chat AI, essentially your bot. So you can drag and drop an image here if you want to give it one. So of course you can drag and drop it or click to select a file. If you click on it over here, I don't have any files right now, so I'm not going to select them. But if you do, just click on it, press open, and it will add in here. Then you want to name it. So I'm just going to name it Instant How To, which is the name of this channel. And first message is going to be, hey, I create tutorials. Of course, you can make something more better than this because I just put this as an instance. You can be way more creative, but this is just a tutorial to show you how to do it. Now, what you want to do, you then want to give it a short description, so a brief description of your chat AI, of your bot. What you want to do is just give it a description. So I'm just going to type in, he's a tech guy or something like this. And then you want to decide if you want your character to be public or essentially private. So as you can see, if it's public, it's visible and available to everyone. But if it's private, it's only visible and available to you. Right now, I'm going to make it private so it can only be accessed by me. Then you want to click create chat AI. As you can see, it's going to start creating and it says chat AI created successfully over here. And now from here, as you can see, it gave me the first message, and you can then type in your message as you would like, and you can send it, and it's going to talk back to you like it normally would. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.